All right, good morning, Bryant Montessori. It is good to be here. I am Neil O'Brien. I'm currently the principal of Geiger Montessori. On July 1st, I get the pleasure of working with all of you and serving the Bryant community as principal. And welcome to this groundbreaking event. At the start of this construction, Tacoma Public Schools acknowledges that we break ground today on the ancestral, traditional, historical lands of the Puyallup people and tribe of Indians. We honor with gratitude the land itself and the Puyallup tribe. This acknowledgement serves as a first step in honoring our nearest tribal neighbors and partners who have inhabited this region since time immemorial and to whom we give thanks for allowing us passage to their lands. We shall intentionally create inclusive, respectful partnerships that honor indigenous cultures, histories, identities, and socio-political realities. Children, right out there is where this school is going to emerge. Right now it's a little bit hard to see. Today we are beginning with a foundation. So we are going to do some symbolic digging, and soon walls will go up and windows will go in, and then finer details will start to happen, important things like playgrounds. But all of that starts with planning and drawing and designs. So let us thank the architects and the general contractor, TCF Architects. Thank you very much for your work. And general contractor, Skanska Construction. Thank you for the work you are starting. Community members, as you watch this project grow, learn to recognize the construction team. Build community with them. That will generate goodwill that will go into our building. Thank you. There are a lot of people to thank at this moment. Certainly our school board. We have two representatives. We have Corey Strozier and President Elizabeth Bonbright. We have Superintendent Josh Garcia. We have members of the cabinet and administrative team. And perhaps most important, we have the citizens of Tacoma to thank. Thank you for approving the funding of this massive investment in this community. It is my pleasure now to introduce to you Superintendent of Tacoma Public Schools, Mr. Josh Garcia.
Thank you very much. I don't want to let go of my shovel, so I'm excited to be here. I want to pause real quickly. We also have School Board Director Lisa Keating, who's been a long-time Montessori champion in the community, and so thank you, Lisa. And Deputy Superintendent Lisa Nolan is also with us today. I want to thank you, and when you talk about you, I want to start with our students. I want to thank you. I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for sticking with us. I know it's not always easy to go to a new school, and sometimes you're super excited. It feels just like the holidays or a birthday, like when can we get this? When can we get this? It's coming. It's coming. And we are going to build you the most amazing K-8 Montessori school that has ever been built. I give you that. I want to thank the staff for your dedication and hard work. These are never easy. It's a lot of work moving. It's a lot of work not being in a home. It's a lot of work also being really excited for a new home. And your grace, your patience, and your professionalism is not lost on us. And so I want to thank you. And I want to thank our families and community. You've been patient with us. We hear you. We support you. And I want to remind you that we know that we are truly better together, and we are extremely grateful for you. Thank you for your patience. I know construction's not always easy. I know transportation and being in different places isn't always easy. But we're going to do this together, and we're excited. So thank you very much on behalf of the Tacoma Public Schools families. I've heard all kinds of rumors What's this school going to be? Is it going to be K-8? Is it going to be Montessori? Of course it is. Of course it's going to be K-8, and of course it's going to be Montessori. That's what those are, just rumors. So I'm here on record once again to say thank you. I'm excited to dig with our construction champions. I'm grateful for all those in yellow vests. Let's get this K-8 Bryant Montessori School started. So with pleasure, I turn it over to School Board President Elizabeth Braunbeit.
Good morning, everyone. Hey, we blessed. This is a beautiful day to mark the beginning of a beautiful event, because this community has been waiting a long time for a brand new school, and it's coming. So thank you. So want everyone to know that, to remind you and to thank every single voter here and all future voters for the passing in 2020 the $535 million school bond measure, which included the rebuilding of 8 schools, Bryant Montessori being one of them. And so this is super exciting, as you've been seeing other schools in the community start to pop up, the new schools that have, if you've been over to Downing or any of the others that have come up, Skyline and of course, Hunt earlier, and all of these schools, this is going to be the spot where a new school rises. And it is because of every single one of the voters who said yes to our community, said yes to our kids, said yes to our teachers. And we are so, so grateful. So thank you to every one of you for that. And I'd like to also thank the students, because the students that are out there and the students that are over here with shovels, it is just the beginning. And this is our future. These are our students who are our future, and they are out here and they are excited. So without further ado, let's get digging.
All right, we are close to digging, but we thank you. Now that I have the microphone again, we are going to slow down and just honor the moment just a little bit. Okay, Bryant has played a long and central role in this neighborhood. Some have called it the backbone of the neighborhood. Neighbors have rallied around the school for generations, and it was recognized as an international peace site, largely due to the efforts of community members right here. Some of them are here now. And so it is good to put the community at the center of this event and begin with a song. We have Emily Coates and James Morgan. They have been living in this neighborhood for kind of a long time. Mr. Morgan is well known. Come on up here and lead us. This song, it is short. Everyone should have the lyrics. It is powerful. It is about building. And today, it is our song. Let us own it.
All right.
If I had a hammer.
Yep, if I had a hammer. Everyone should have a song sheet. If you were born before 1980, you know the song. If I had a hammer, I'd hammer in the morning, I'd hammer in the evening, all over this land. I'd hammer out danger, I'd hammer out warning, I'd hammer out love between my brothers and my sisters, all over this land. Ooh, if I had a bell, I'd ring it in the morning, I'd ring it in the evening, all over this land. I'd ring out danger, I'd ring out a warning, I'd ring out the love between my brothers and my sisters, all over this land. Ooh, if I had a song, I'd sing it in the morning, I'd I'd sing it in the evening all over this land. I'd sing out danger, I'd sing out warning, I'd sing out the love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. Ooh, we have a hammer. I've got a hammer, and I've got a bell, and I've got a song to sing all over this land. It's the hammer of justice, it's the bell of freedom, it's a song about love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land.
Thank you, James. Thank you. James is one of the first people I met in Tacoma like 40-something million years ago. Okay, we are getting to digging. Let's acknowledge a few other people. We have the PTO here, notably President Classon Mitchell. Thank you very, very much. We have some snacks for our children. There has been a lot of support around the community, and for years the Trinity Presbyterian Church and Bryant Neighborhood Center have supported this school. Thank you very, very much. And lastly, I want to thank Gray Lumber of Tacoma for donating the golden shovels for today's event. Matt Gray is the owner of Gray Lumber, one of the most humble men around, and he is the grandparent of two Bryant Montessori students, Sunday and Violet Shamp. Thank you very much to Gray Lumber. All right, we have a lot of students here. When I say your name, can you raise your hand? And then we're going to hold applause and get it for them all at one time. Ready? Here we go. We have today Shomari, Rowan, Lincoln, Walter, Savea, Ala, Celeste, Paxton, Eli, Natalie, and last call is Ladariel out there. She didn't make it. That's okay. All right. Let's step right up for groundbreaking now. Students, let's see if we can get in a line. There's room. We have some other adults to step in there. There's room. We can make room. Here, come this way. Come over here. Come toward me. Here. Turn this way. Okay, good. Right in the middle. It's okay. And then turn around. Okay, good. You're in a good spot now. Okay. When I say the word dig, we are going to dig. Ready? 1, 2, 3, dig. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We have officially broken ground on the new Bryant Montessori. Thank you very much for being here, and we look forward to all the activity in coming days, weeks, and we're going to open up hopefully in the fall of 2024. Thank you.
We're going to take a few group photos so nobody go anywhere for like 2 minutes.
All right, let's just hold on so we can actually organize for some group photos, okay? You're getting a fist bump from the superintendent. That's kind of a big deal.